Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Izani sizohleba guys. Hayibo. Nako-ke phela kuvumbuka uMayeni noVuyokazi ku-fashion show kaMayeni. I think Mayeni called uVuyokazi imtshela ukuthi come to my fashion show, you're gonna be my model. And uVuyokazi showed up. And literally lena, it's not like bayacala ukuba close now. uVuyokazi used to go and complain kuMayeni, amtshele the way uMpumelelo amenza ngakhona, amtreat-a ngakhona, the way like angafuni uVuyokazi abe number one. Like she used to tell uMayeni a lot of stuff ezenzeka ku-relationship yakhe noMpumelelo. And uMayeni didn't just be a mother-in-law maybe or ugogo wabantwana. She came weza wakhuluma naye wamtshela ukuthi yazini girl, just because nabantwana bethu nalo mfana doesn't mean lo mfana will prioritize you. Ooh, guys, this word doesn't mean lo mfana uzoprioritize. Just pick up yourself, go get your life, uhlukane nalo mfana. And imagine umntanakhe wokucala lo Mayeni ne, imagine if ever your mother-in-law told you to leave that boyfriend alone because he's not treating you well. Nizothi ufuna ukusihlukanisa blah 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 blah. But uVuyokazi took the advice serious. Wayibona naye ukuthi no man, yazi yabona la, I think ukhuluma iqiniso lo mama. Watsho nje wathi let me leave this guy and start afresh. And vele was-starta afresh and izinto zakhe zihamba kahle. And i-relationship yakhe nogogo wabantwana is still great because azange baxabane. But instead she took advice and went out with it, and it's working for her, and we are happy for her. And as we all know, Sumayeni likes fashion. She also started wamenza as a model yakhe, and maybe uyampatala, maybe she's proud ukuthi at least usupportela abantwana. Like there's a lot esingayicabanga without slow busy cabangana nokuthi hey umakoti. Not everything is about umakoti. Sometimes it's about a relationship eniyakhile while you were in there, while bosa prepare ukotiza. But then since love did not choose to win you, but still you won someone's heart, which is umama we umama we boyfriend. Hayibo guys, nibiza ngani ugogo wabantwana bakho. Guys, if benuVuyokazi, would you go and be a model to your mother's ex-boyfriend or bozwala? Even if like you ended things in a good way, what would you do? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.